Hey guys, we're in Vadnais Heights here. Little rail family here. Walking across railroad tracks here. Got some trains here you can see. Beautiful day. Watching a video. Trains being scrapped out, engines. Yeah, it's August 1st today. You see this November, this was the day Corey Stringer passed away. He was killed in a mini camp. He'll be a Hall of Famer. But yeah. I think it ends way up farther down, I think. The train ends, goes across, because I was going to try to find it the other side down there, but I think it's mainly just where they drop off and leave stuff. Then it goes across 694. Beautiful day for rail fans walking around. We got a free lunch today, and I figured, well, let's leave a little early. It's a little slow, so I think it ends when it goes across the highway, and then it turns into a trail. But it's a great day, man. Beautiful day to be alive. These are kind of cool. These would be great for, you could cut the tops off these things and make them into dump trucks if you wanted to. Cut them off and there's a Honda dealer over here. Honda dealership. Behind me, and they have all their cars over here. Do want to do some. Hope you guys like the car shows I did. Those are kind of fun. But yeah. The big dogs. Yep, that's where it ends. So you can kind of see the trail. This ends, the rail ends there, and that's it goes across. So the that's the old rail thing. He goes across over there, so it ends here. They made it in the rail trail. So just a fun little rail fan in here. I always want to see this one went to, so yeah. You don't know unless you go, right? But I think this is mainly a dump line. Apple Ford's right over here. So I figured, what the hell? So I tried to get over on the other side over there, but I couldn't get over there. And I'm like, okay, I'll come over here by the Apple Ford. And I got rid of my company over there. I'm like, okay. So that's the trail behind me. Anyway, but I feel a little rail fan in here. What the hell, right? Look at something. We probably want every other day here on the channel. So if I put something in, I can, but at least a lot of bums can get in here, lay down or whatever. Rest in peace. Yep, I didn't know if that was a working bridge or not. Now I know. So it's a trail that they connected, which is smart that they do that. Is that they turn railroad tracks into trails. But there's a place over in Duluth, Minnesota. Is they right off, we were on a boat cruise, and they trashed these out. Also saw one in Ohio how they flip the coal trains and empty them out. It's kind of cool. Pretty interesting how they do it. Yeah, so this is probably just a dump track. Berkeley Honda's over on the other side. Yeah, you could make these into dump trucks. Probably make one in half. Cut it down the middle, cut it off. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's been a pretty hot summer, but nice weather this week. Going to the cabin this weekend, do some fishing with the family. So tired and bloody. Huh. Dangerous business in the train business. Gotta be careful. You lose your life. I should put a Speculation Sports sticker on one of these next time. When we're out in North Carolina sometime, I'd love to the Fugitive. That train is still there in the movie. Saw a video on that. Go look that up. Pretty cool. Bus, there's two buses they use. That's a pretty cool scene. But right here you could sleep. If you're getting here, tell someone what he was. You can tell. Someone was in there. Ride it. Someone's over here, right in that still. But anyways. Alright. You got a boat over there, you can see right over there. So you can go out down farther that way too, but I give you over here. There's a boat right over there. You can jump that bad boy. Anyways, we'll head them back to the car. Hope you enjoy a little rail fanning out here in Vadnais Heights. Out here at Berkeley. Alright guys. See you in the next one. Next epic rail fan.